We have a math puzzle to solve today, and in this method of solving we will be using logical thinking. If you are interested in solving math puzzles, you can check out our videos in the playlist Math Puzzles. There's a lot of them, and these type of problems are very frequently given in competitive math tests in elementary school and middle school. I have seen several problems like this come in Perennial math and other competitive exams for my daughter. Take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. When you do that, you will get to know the moment we make a new video for you. Let us know if this video was helpful in your comments below. The sum of all the numbers in the three circles A, B, and C are equal. If the numbers are distributed as shown and the remaining places be filled with 1, 3, 4, and 6, find how to distribute these remaining numbers in the overlapping spaces. So let's look at the circles that we have. A with the number 5, B with the number 2, and C with the number 7, and the choices we have are 1, 3, 4, and 6. And let's start off by naming the places that we have to fill. Let's name this P, let's name this Q, let's name this part R, and let's name this portion S. So the question is that we choose P, Q, R, and S from numbers 1, 3, 4, and 6 such that A, the sum of all the numbers in A, is the sum of all the numbers in B is the same as sum of all the numbers in C. Right? So A is 5 plus P plus Q plus S. B would be 2 plus P plus S plus R, and C would be 7 plus Q plus R plus S. Now we will start off with a little bit of logical thinking. We see that amongst the given numbers 1, 3, 4, and 6, the largest number is 6. And from the given circles, we see the largest number is 7. So logically, 6 and 7 likely not going to go together. In other words, 6 would not be part of the circle C. So the only portion which is not part of circle C is P. So let's assume that P is equal to 6. Using the same logic, for the minimum number, for the lowest number, I see that B has got the lowest number 2. And within the choices that I have, which is 1, 3, 4, and 6, the smallest number is 1. Again, using a little bit of logical thinking, I can assume that B would not contain the number A. If it does, then the difference between the sum of A, B, and C, or B and A and B and C, would not be equal. Now the area that does not have or has or does not come in B is Q, because from here I see that B has P, S, and R, so Q is not a part of B. So let's assume that Q is 1. So we have an assumption of P is 6 and Q is 1. Now this is where my logical thinking ends. I can't do anything else with the numbers 3 and 4. So if P is 6 and Q is 1, then 3 and 4 would be distributed between R and S. So either S is going to be 3, in that case R is going to be 4, or S is going to be 4, in that case R is going to be 3. Now let's try to use one of these equations to see if we can solve for R and S. Let's take any two circles. Let's take A and let's take B. So A will be 5 plus P I assumed is going to be 6. Q I assumed to be 1. And then the remaining one is S. Or A is equal to 5 plus 6, which is 11, plus 1, 12, 12 plus S. Similarly, B is 2 plus P plus S plus R. So if I put the values of that I know, I'll have B as equal to 2 plus P I know is 6 from here plus S plus R. Or if I simplify this, B is equal to 8 plus S plus R. Now I have been given that the sum of the numbers in A, which is, let's name this number this 1, is the same as the sum of all the numbers in B, let's number this 2. So I know 1 and 2 are equal. So let's do that. 12 plus S is equal to 8 plus S plus R. Now S will cancel out from both the sides. So I'm left with 12 is equal to 8 plus R. Or if I move 8 onto this side and subtract, I will be left with R is equal to 12 minus 8, or R is equal to 4. Let's number this 3. Now if R is equal to 4, there's only one option for S. S has to be 3. Right, so let's put the numbers in here and see how it works out. Let's put the numbers back here and see how it works out. S is going to be 3 and R is going to be 4. So let's find out how the numbers look like. A is going to be 5 plus P is 6 plus Q we assume to be 1 plus S we now know is 3, which is equal to 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. B will be 2 plus P, which I assumed is 6, plus S, which is 3, plus R, which is 4, which is coming out to be 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. C, which is 7, plus Q, Q I assumed to be 1, plus R, which is 4, and then S, which is 3. So this comes out to be 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. There you go. So the logical way in which we moved ahead, started to solve this problem, seems to have worked out for us. Let's put the numbers here to solve. We have we have 6 here, we have 3 here, we have 1 in this place, and we have 4. Take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. When you do that, you will get to know the moment we make a new video for you. Let us know if this video was helpful in your comments below.